This series of tutorials provides an overview of the capabilities and features of the Infinity Analyze package. This introductory video covers the basics you need to get you started. We'll take a look at the application layout, basic exposure adjustment, performing a white balance, capturing an image, and some of the controls related to the live preview. Infinity Analyze is included with all Infinity cameras except for the light version. The application includes camera controls and settings, image capture, calibration and measurement functions, annotation overlays, and image manipulation capabilities. The user interface can be tailored to suit your preferences. The default layout is currently displayed. When the application begins, the camera's live preview is displayed in the right-hand side. A set of menu options is available across the top of the screen, and the imaging control pane is displayed on the left-hand side. This includes a set of capture controls and a set of camera controls. Subsequent video tutorials will go into details on these camera control settings. When the application first begins, the camera settings may not be optimized for your microscope. Let's begin by moving the sample out of the field of view. Under the camera control area, there's a manual exposure adjustment and also gain controls for amplifying the camera signal. Your image may begin by being overexposed. If your image looks similar to this, begin by making a manual exposure adjustment to bring the screen down to below a saturated image or a scene of average brightness. Don't worry about the color appearance of the image at this point. The white balance function is designed to take a look at the input from the camera based on the whole scene and to adjust the camera's color gains to give a balanced output. Let's move the sample back into the field of view and see how the colors are improved. There are other controls within the application to fine-tune the color display, and those will be looked at in subsequent tutorials. The next step is going about capturing an image. There are several ways within Infinity Analyze to capture an image. One is to click on the capture button in the upper left pane under Capture Control. Another method is to perform a double click on the live preview using the left mouse button. And lastly, the File menu, where image capture is invoked. There's also a hotkey, Control-G, will perform a capture. I'm going to double click in the live preview. When the image is captured, the maximized window is converted to cascade window style, so we can see both the live preview window, as I move the sample to illustrate, that's the live preview window, and the captured image are both displayed in a cascade style. Either image can be maximized for full viewing. Images can be saved by either closing the image capture window or selecting the File Save As from the File menu. Enter a file name, an image file format, and click on the Save button. That concludes our introductory tour of the Infinity Analyze. Be sure to check out subsequent video tutorials for more details on other camera controls and application functions.